Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your Matic tokens from Binance to Coinbase in 2025, you're in the right place. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and stress-free. Whether you're building your portfolio or just moving assets around, let's dive in. First off, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and Coinbase. This is crucial for security and to avoid any hiccups. Log into your Binance account and head over to your wallet section. You'll see a list of your assets, find Matic or Polygon there. Once you've selected it, click on the Withdraw option. It's that straightforward. Now, here's where you need to be extra careful. You'll have to enter the wallet address from Coinbase. To get that, log into your Coinbase account, go to your wallet, select Matic, and copy the deposit address. Paste this into the withdrawal form on Binance. Double-check everything: the address, the amount you're sending, and any network fees. In 2025, networks like Polygon might have updated fees, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. After confirming the withdrawal on Binance, you'll get a confirmation email or notification. The transfer time can vary, but it usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Coinbase and refresh your wallet. You should see your Matic tokens there. A quick tip: always use the correct network for Matic, like the Polygon network, to ensure a smooth transfer. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. If you encounter any issues, both exchanges have support teams to help. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.